Let's color moss for coral reef look. This is foil, but you can use also baking paper. I use universal acrylic aerosol spray for coloring my pressed plants and flowers. Place moss inside of the paint, then turn it over to color both sides. Avoid leaving moss inside the paint for too long, otherwise it may soak. Remove excessive paint from the moss and leave them to dry. Once the moss dries, we can start creating resin jewelry. This is UV resin tape. Gold-plated stainless steel open pendant. UV resin, you can find link in description. Work with thin layers. Use lighter to remove bubbles. Place moss inside of the resin and make sure you cover moss with resin. Cure under LED lamp for 2 minutes. Mix mica powder with UV resin in silicone mold. Place seashell carefully inside of the resin. Cure for 2 minutes. Add white mica powder and mix with UV resin. Add more moss. Cure for 2 minutes. Make a light pink mixture and add it inside of the seashell. Add white pearl. Cure for 2 minutes. Add more seashells. Cut pieces from sewing threads. Add rhinestones. Cure for 2 minutes. Clean the edges if needed. Cure for 5 minutes. Add one more layer of UV resin if needed. Cure for 10 minutes. Add final layer of UV resin to back side. Cure for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching.